Hello everybody, this is me and my unboxings of money today. Today I'm going to have an unboxing of the Parrot Swing vertical takeoff and landing plane. This aircraft plane sort of system has a dual flight mode. It has a quadcopter mode and a fast plane mode. So the quadcopter mode actually has a vertical takeoff sort of thing, and the fast plane mode has a autopilot mode sort of thing, apparently. So the Parrot Fly Pad includes the high precision controller as of course the official fly pad. I got this from Amazon in Italy for about £50. It reduced down from £180, and it's actually Bluetooth connected, so you actually got your phone here, as all drones and all flight crafts. You got your drone here with your controller and your phone attached to it, so you can have an iOS device or an Android device, as it says. So you can see here, this is your phone and this is your sort of your thing here. So I've got an iPhone 8 Plus, a Galaxy S6 and a BlackBerry Priv, and my iPhone, several other iPhones that I have as well that I can test it out on, so that's really good. And it's compatible on both on Google Play Store and App Store. And you have to download a little app here called Free Flight Mini. If you guys are wondering what's happening to my knife, I don't have an unboxing knife anymore like I used to have before, because I don't know where it is. So you can see all the information below, so you can see sort of like the serial numbers and stuff, which is not really interesting, and it says 14 plus. I want to actually drive this in my house. I don't know if it's possible, like can it cause like damage to someone? I'm not sure, but actually it's something I actually want to do. And on the back you can see what it has, so you can use it as a plane or like that, or you can use it as a quad sort of thing there, so it can go vertically up and down. I'm actually excited to get this tested out, guys. You know, it's like a little toy for me to have. I'm so excited. And on the side, oh crap, on the side it says some more specifications. So it says flight in quadcopter mode, vertical takeoff, powerful autopilot mode, stable flight and easy to pilot. So I'm actually gonna like put it in my house and put it on autopilot and see what happens. It goes 90 miles per hour, pretty fast. It loops. It has 180 degrees, and it can also do barrel rolls. I'm actually going to make a video of me showing you how I'm playing with this in my house very soon. It has high precision controller, increased range and direct fly pad. So I guess your Bluetooth is going to connect. So I don't know how strong the Bluetooth is though, it doesn't tell me that, but yeah. And the other side of the box, it just shows you what you have. So you have a Bluetooth low energy compatible device. It can snapshot. Does that mean you can like, I think you can take a screenshot either on your phone, so it has like a camera on there, but I'm not sure. I'll confirm that with you in the review. 7 minutes flight time, it weighs just 75 grams, and it can go 30 kilometers per hour or 19 miles per hour. So again, you can have a direct connection through this sort of Bluetooth controller sort of thing there. So I'm just gonna, without talking now, I'm just gonna actually open the seals from the box and just show you guys what you get inside the box. So I'm just gonna open the seals now and just show you guys what you get. Okay, so I'm just gonna open that there, put that there, and then open these two here. I'm so excited. Like when this came in the post, like my brother was like, "Oh my god, what is this? Give it to me! I want it! I want it!" I was like, "No, mate. I need to make a video first, and I need to test it out myself, and then I'll let you try it." Like it's just too exciting to let anyone just like remove it. Okay. Oh. So it's just like, you just pull it up. Wait, what? Wait, I think you don't need this one. Security sealed. Okay. So this is inside the box. You can see it says Parrot Swing. I'm going to open it like this so you guys can see what you get. So there you go. Ah! Get back. So you can see what it says, yeah? Cool. First impression. Right. So I guess this is the Parrot Fly Pad, which is the controller, and it says it's compatible with all your mini drones and all your Parrot mini drones. And Parrot is a well-known brand, and it's actually quite an expensive brand. They sell like a lot of expensive drones. So for me getting this kit for like £50, pretty amazing, guys. I got such a pretty bargain. So if it's higher now, I'll leave the link down below and I'll let you know in the description if it's more or less. But there's nothing else in the box, as you can see. I'm just going to throw it to the side, and this is where you get to the main baby. But before I open that, let's open the controller, because that's the most boring part, of course. So let's see what's inside this controller. Well, of course there's going to be a controller, but let's see what we get inside the box. So controller, so it controls all your things in it, and then this is some sort of an attempt of showing you how it controls everything. And it says direct connection and connection with your smartphone. Okay, of course it's Bluetooth connected. I think we all knew that by already. Okay, so I'm just going to open these two seals here and let's see what we get inside the box. So I'm just going to open this sort of, there we go. Wow. Okay, so this is the Parrot. Smells very nice. Anyway, this is the Parrot. Wow. Oh my god, it has a sort of like, it feels like one of those PlayStation, Xbox controllers where you have, it feels like very ergonomic in your hand as well. Like very, very ergonomic indeed. Like the way you can control it, it feels very light, like lightweight, and it feels like something. It feels like something of value, if you know what I mean. And it has this R1, R2, L1, L2. Oh my god, remind me of the PS2 days. And PS3. I mean, every single gaming days. But anyway, oh, I just turn it on. Oh, so I just turn it on. Parrot. Okay, so it's looking for my Parrot drone. I don't have a Parrot drone at the moment. There. What's this? It just says Parrot on it. Is there a Parrot inside it? I'm joking. So like a really bad joke, I know. But it's micro USB, micro HDMI sort of cable there. There you go. Very, very nice. Micro USB cable. Thank you guys. Yeah. And this is where you actually put your phone in. So this is the, you know, the model number, the serial number, all the IMEI information. Not IMEI, I was thinking IMEI because I unbox too much phone, guys. What do you expect from me? But this is basically the model number and stuff of the actual thing. And I think this just goes on to your controller. Like that, I think, or being very retarded here, but there we go, like that. And then this, oh shit, sorry guys, this goes in like that, okay, and then your phone just goes into it like that. So when you're playing, you just play like that with your phone on it. This is the manual, so it just shows you how you're going to connect it up and how to charge it. Of course, you need to charge it by putting micro USB in it and stuff, so that is very, very stupid and self-explanatory, so you don't really need that. The main stuff is this. So this is the Parrot Swing, same stuff as, so this is like basically the mini version of the big box I just showed you. So yeah, so I'm just going to show you what's inside the box now. Okay, so again, another security, there's so many security seals to break, like, who's gonna, for you to break this security seal, you're most supposed to break in the other security seal. So it's like, for all this effort to break security seals, like, it's just so annoying. Even Apple's iPads don't have this much security seal. Anyway, this is your drone. Wow, very nice indeed. Can you see that, guys? Very nice. So let's just see what's inside. Then tell me it's another micro USB, because it's very cheap. What's this, battery? Oh my god, look at that battery. Look at that. I thought it took like AA batteries. Look at that. It's a lithium pro rechargeable battery, and this is the serial number G6 something. Anyway, that's the battery there. Very nice. It's a 550 milliamp battery, 3.7 volts, so some battery life on there. It's pretty nice. So thank you guys. I thought, you know, thank you Parrot for making this amazing drone. I can't say thank you because I bought it with my own money. Anyway, this is the what's it, the flying things, I don't know what it's called. Basically these are like the propellers that are actually attaching to your drone itself to make it fly, of course. These are replacement ones because, as I just noticed, they actually have them on there already. So if they break or if they hit into something and they just suddenly like, can I remove these? Or they could come off? Or how am I gonna, if it does break, how does it break? Do I pull them off? I'm not gonna pull it off. Wow, okay, this feels like very cheap plastic, to be honest with you. Like, if you felt that, that can be easily broken. Like, it's like plastic, so that's very easily broken. But this is the drone here, and this is, I think, where the battery goes into. So the battery goes into this part here, I think, or something. Or am I forcing that in? Is that not supposed to be in there? Oh my god, it is. Okay, or is it the other way? No, it's that way. Okay, so as soon as I push the battery in, I'm just going to show you. Actually, I'm going to show you around the drone first. I'm not going to talk because my battery is like flashing red now, so I'm going to have no time otherwise. But this is the drone. Okay, it says Parrot, and it has like a little, not a camera, but it's like a little speaker sort of thing. And it's a little Bluetooth connection sort of stuff, and you can charge it up, and you can do random stuff with it. I'll make a full review on this, guys, so don't worry. I'll show you like properly all around it and stuff. So just wait for my review. Just leave a comment down below if you actually want to see a review on this. My birds are like shouting in the background. Anyway, oh shit. Okay, I don't want to break this. Like, I had one of these things before when it's like really fragile. But anyway. Okay, so you can see that. Activated. Put to the side, main attraction. And it fell down. I have a feeling I'm going to break this like in a day. Oh, so anyway, this is the... oh my god, hurry up. Time is running out. It's flashing red. The installation guide and how to use it and stuff. Again, all of it will come in my video. And nothing else inside. Nope, nothing inside. So the one before has something underneath this, but this one, no. Okay, whatever. So we're done with that. So that's done, that's done. There we go. So this is what you get in the box, basically, in a simplified version. Okay, so this is what they could have made everything, life much more easier, putting that in all in one box. That is actually hard. But anyway, guys, this is the unboxing of the Parrot Swing drone. If you want to see a review on this, then let me know in the comments below, and I'll make an outdoor review or an indoor review, whatever you want. Leave your comments down below, and I'll surely do that. Have a nice day, guys. Subscribe to my unboxing and fun for more videos like this, and I'll catch you guys all later. Bye.